Hello everyone, I am Dr. Parthasarathy, currently serving as Professor and officiating head of the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at ATME College of Engineering. I have over 36 years of teaching and research experience. The department is established in the year 2010, offers an undergraduate program with an annual intake of 60 students. The department is affiliated to Visvesvaraya Technological University. Our vision is to nurture technically proficient engineers who contribute meaningfully to society as value-driven professionals.
Our experienced faculty bring expertise across power systems, power electronics, industrial drives, VLSI, embedded systems, biomedical signal processing, and instrumentation. We proudly uphold NBA accreditation excellence, demonstrating our unwavering commitment to quality education. Our department offers state-of-the-art infrastructure with well-equipped laboratories and modern classrooms that foster an engaging learning environment, providing hands-on learning aligned with industry needs. We strictly follow outcome-based education. Over the years, we have built a strong culture of academic excellence and innovation. Our student Safina Shazia secured 8th rank in VTU, reflecting our academic strength. In addition to the traditional chalk and talk method, we adopt ICT-enabled practices to create an engaging and interactive learning environment. Workshops, technical talks, and industry visits are regularly conducted to enhance practical knowledge and industry exposure. AVAKAMMA, our annual tech fest, inspiring innovation, creativity, and engineering excellence. Our faculty and students have contributed significantly to research with patents, peer-reviewed journals, and books from organizations like AICTE, KTech, KSCST, and VTU, along with active consultancy work demonstrating strong industry collaboration. Our students consistently excel at various inter-institute events like project competitions, hackathons, technical paper presentation, and have brought laurels to the department. Our students receive domain-specific training in industrial automation and embedded systems, along with comprehensive soft skills, aptitude, and pre-placement training for overall career development. Our current final year students have secured stipend-based internships, showcasing strong industry engagement even before graduation. Students have also received prestigious scholarship from IEEE. We take pride in our students' achievements in sports with accomplishments at state, national levels, and university representation. Our alumni are making a global impact working with top organizations such as Intel, Continental, Oracle, IBM, Infosys, Siemens, JP Morgan, L&T, and Kirloskar, as well as contributing to the government sector as assistant engineers and junior engineers. If you are looking for a place to learn, innovate, and build a successful career, the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering is the right choice for you. Here, we shape not just for your future, but your potential to transform the world.